I said
No,
Todd.
oh no, it was looking out across of Gotham. Jason Todd looks at the sky. He is dead, but now he's not.
Okay.
He is the Arkham Knight.
And they say why?
Tell him that it's Jason Todd. Why? He's the Arkham Knight, yeah. They say why? Bruce Jason Todd is the Arkham Knight. He's the Arkham Knight, yeah. He's gonna kill you, yeah. Arkham Knight. Arkham Knight. Arkham.
Looking out.
Oh, by the way, Jason Todd's the Arkham Knight.
Arkham Knight.
Jason Todd's the Arkham Knight.
He could have been Red Hood, but he's not.
I said he's blue and has an A and not a new character like they said. It is Jason. Jason Todd's the Arkham Knight. Yeah, Jason is the Arkham Knight. Yeah.
If they say
Jason Todd. Jason Todd's the Arkham Knight. Yeah, Jason. He's the Arkham Knight. Yeah.
Jason Todd to the intendant's office, please.
Jason Todd's the Arkham Knight.
Subscribe. Jason Todd's the Arkham Knight. Like, comment,
That's it. In order to say it like I had to subscribe.
No. What does this reveal to me?
Spoilers.
That was good.
Boo 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 boo. We have no outro either. I'm sorry.